In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to build a website step by step. This is a beginner-friendly way to generate website code using Claude. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a website. For example, I might type, "Create a simple HTML website for a coffee shop." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will then generate the website code, usually including HTML, CSS, and sometimes JavaScript. Next, I'll copy the generated code from the response. Then I'll open a text editor on my computer, such as Notepad, VS Code, or another code editor. I'll paste the code into a new file and save it with the HTML file extension. For example, I might save the file as index.html. Once the file is saved, I'll double-click the file or open it in my web browser to see the website. If I want to improve the website, I can go back to Claude and ask it to add new sections, change the design, or add features like a contact form or navigation menu. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to help build a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.